Hello everyone! Is your car losing power, misfiring, or running rough? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0669, intake manifold tuning control module voltage too high, this could mean an issue with your intake manifold tuning system, wiring, or control module. In this video, I'll explain what P0669 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0669? The P0669 trouble code stands for Intake Manifold Tuning Control Module Voltage Too High. The Intake Manifold Tuning Control Module, TCM, adjusts the airflow inside the intake manifold to improve performance. If the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the TCM is sending a voltage signal that is too high, it triggers the P0669 code, leading to erratic engine performance, rough idling, and reduced fuel efficiency. Common symptoms of P0669. Check engine light on engine running rough at idle, loss of power and acceleration. Poor fuel efficiency. Possible engine misfire or hesitation. If you notice these symptoms, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0669. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0669, check these key parts. Intake Manifold Tuning Control Module, TCM. Location: mounted on or near the intake manifold, close to the throttle body. Function: adjusts airflow inside the manifold. A failure can cause incorrect airflow and high voltage readings. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors voltage signals from the TCM and controls engine performance. TCM wiring and connectors. Location: runs from the TCM to the PCM, usually alongside the intake manifold. Function: transfers voltage signals. Damaged or shorted wires can cause high voltage errors. Throttle body and position sensor, TPS. Location: attached to the throttle body near the intake manifold. Function: works with the TCM to regulate airflow. If faulty, it can cause voltage spikes. Vacuum hoses and sensors. Location: connected to the intake manifold and throttle body. Function: maintains air pressure inside the intake manifold. Leaks can lead to sensor misreadings. Common causes of P0669. 1. Faulty TCM, intake manifold tuning control module. If the module is damaged or stuck, it may send excessive voltage to the PCM. 2. Shorted or corroded wiring. Exposed or broken wires can cause high voltage readings. 3. PCM malfunction. A failing PCM may misinterpret voltage signals, triggering P0669 unnecessarily. 4. Vacuum leaks or intake blockage. A leak or clogged intake passage can force the TCM to overcompensate, leading to high voltage output. 5. Bad ground connections. Poor grounding can result in incorrect voltage spikes, affecting sensor accuracy. How to fix P0669. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. Check if other intake system-related codes are present. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or damaged wires. Step 3. Test the TCM module. Use a multimeter to check voltage output. Step 4. Check for vacuum leaks. Inspect hoses and seals around the intake manifold. Step 5. Replace the TCM if needed. Use an OEM part to ensure compatibility. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the code using an OBD-II scanner and verify the fix. Final words: ignoring P0669 can lead to erratic engine behavior, poor fuel economy, and even damage to other components. Fixing this issue ensures your car runs smoothly and efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0594, Cruise Control Servo Control Circuit Low. P0595, Cruise Control Servo Control Circuit High. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.